My name is Anthony Virgo, and I am taking you guys on the journey of AI with me. I'm not sure what that's really gonna take me, but I'm willing to go all in. And this is just one of the first videos of me getting personal and me letting you guys know what's going on in my journey. So back in July of 2025, I got laid off from my job. I was working at a healthcare company for 7 years, and it was just something that just sporadically happened. I can't say that I was underperforming or anything like that, but I do know that there was a large impact. So it wasn't just me, a bunch of other people was impacted. But then that had me thinking, I never want to be in a position like this ever again. I have a son, I have a wife, I have a family. So I said that, I just need to go all in on something that I believe that nobody could take from me in terms of me just building a skill. For the longest time, I've been good at sales. Sales is something that I'm just naturally good at. And I want to combine that with something such as AI. So I'm taking you guys on this journey with me to inspire, to document, to let you guys know what the plan is when it comes to AI, because we don't know what this future is really going to hold if you really think about it. There's a lot of people that just compare it to the internet, when the internet came, and how fruitful the internet was. And I believe in AI. I grew up playing video games, and AI was a big part of video games. So in my head, this is something that really makes sense. Right now, I'm just, playing around with the concept of voice AI. So if you're thinking about, something such as Siri, or, when you talk to ChatGPT, I'm exploring things like that and just becoming familiarizing myself with, certain tools. But don't want to get too technical because this is for motivational purposes, man. You guys are seeing me, honest to God, like at my lowest point that I ever been in life. But it's really not even my lowest point. It's like my highest point, because mentally I'm sharper, I'm tapped in. I know what I need to do this go round, and I'm just ready to scratch everything and start my own personal journey and becoming the forefront of AI, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on LinkedIn, whether it's in my industry, but also for my community. I've been doing a lot of research on AI, and there's not a lot of minorities like myself, Black people or Latino people, to be honest, that's heavily in the space that's giving knowledge. So I just want to be at the forefront at that, and I want to do it my way. I want it to be organic for my people, because again, I just want to educate our community on this such technology. Oftentimes I feel like we get pushed back in terms of the important pieces, in terms of it being fruitful. I think every time in certain communities, when the internet hit a certain community, it makes it a lot more popular, a lot more demand, a lot more things are going on in it. But I feel like my community needs to be on the back end, meaning building this, becoming developers, vibe coders, enthusiasts. So this is my journey. I'm just hoping that it just turns into something, I'm not even hoping, that's the plan, that's the mission, and that's just what it's gonna be, because I have a lot riding on it. I have a son, like I said, I have a family, and I just don't ever want to be in a position where a company could just say, hey, you know what, you've done a really good job, but we're just gonna, remove your position or let you go and stuff like that. Again, not in a way where I'm spiteful about it or anything like that. That's not even the case. I just want more control over my life, and I think that's the pursuit of happiness. That's the key. I'm young enough to take these risks. I am in my 30s, but I got a lot of drive. I'm creative, so I'm just gonna be building this up in an effective way. So I hope you guys, whoever's checking it in, who's ever seeing this, whether it's a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, we're gonna automate this. We're gonna turn this into something big. I'm gonna be the biggest thing in AI since Allen Iverson, and I mean that. You feel me? So it's active. Your boy Anthony Virgo checking out. Let's automate this.